Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you the best pens for drawing and calligraphy that I feel that I have been using for a really long time, and I just ordered them again because I was running out of them. So the first pen that I have is Staedtler pigment liners, and it's a set of 5. You can buy them separate as well. So I'll just open this first. Oh, so these are the 5 pens that you get. This is 0.2, this is 0.3 to 2 mm, and this is 0.1 mm size. So and these are the 2 different pens. One is gold and the other one is metallic pen. So let's just use this pen. So the first pen that I'm using is 0.1. You see it? Second pen that I'll use is 0.2. The third one is the finer one, and the nib is also different, as you can see. The tip of the pen is slightly slant, as you can see. So this is going to be like this. 0.22. Okay. Now the other one that I have is silver pen. This is good for black sheets. The other one is gold. Right. The next set of pen that I got is from Tombow. I got 2 tones of grey. These are brush pens. I will put the links of all the pens in the description. One is the warm grey and the second one is the cool grey. It's nice for calligraphy. This is first for me because I have not used this pen, and let's try this one. First I'm gonna show you this one. So this is a brush pen. It has twin tip. So one tip is fine and the other tip is brush tip. So I will just write. Yeah, so this is the one. This is twin tip. This is water based, so it's not waterproof. So it is recommended to use after you're done painting. So this is twin tip, and as you can see, this has gray side and the other one has dark side. So let's just say if you write hey, give shadow. So, and the last one is 2 brush pens. One is the soft tip and the other one is the hard tip. So my battery died and I'm using my phone. So I realized that I forgot these 2 pens while shooting with the camera. So this is the soft tip and the other one is the hard tip by Tombow. So the last one is this pen, which is paint marker. It is really good pen if you want to paint over, if you want to draw over a painting, acrylic, watercolor, whatever. So I'll just show you how this looks. I've got a set of 3, and this is how it is. So these are the pens that I have bought recently, and most of them I have been using for all my drawings. I hope it was helpful to you all. So all the links of these pens are in description if you want to buy them. I bought it from Amazon. You can also buy it from there or any local stationery if you have. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.